So let's continue with fabric data science. But before that, let me show you something interesting. This this is this is actually I was recording the previous session, and after recording session, I used a tool called Loom to record my screen session. After I could finish this, you can see the summary. I dive into the integration, blah blah blah, etc., etc. And interestingly, this word is usually people don't use it, right? People seldom use this, but this is the favorite word of ChatGPT. So this tells me that this summary was generated by ChatGPT, and what it does is clearly this Loom is taking my video, taking a transcript and feed that to ChatGPT and try to get a summary. This is exactly what we just talked about, right? After we discussed, after we have a meeting with a customer, artificial intelligence should be quickly summarize what it was discussed. And of course, the further request is to come up with different action items. And right now it's already done, like using chapters. Right? This is generated by Loom AI, but from the word, apparently Loom AI is based on ChatGPT. So you can see everybody's using that, using different AI tools. And one of these is the interesting workflow that we just discussed about. Now with that, our target is to our next step is talk about fabric data science. We just discussed the fabric data science in our PowerPoint slide. Now let's go to fabric. So this shows us the Synapse data science, right? If I click on here, what's supposed to be generated? Notebook, experiment, ML model. So if I go to notebook, well, notebook is already something that you have already seen. So if I go to Junction and go to experiment, go to environment, go to experiment. As you can see, first thing you probably see is the save as ML model. But the source of this, each one, I only did one run, but under experiment, there can be many different runs. For this particular run, the source comes from this notebook. So this notebook is the one that I show you, log the parameter and log the metrics. And if when you have your own code of machine learning code, it should be inserted here. Now get back to here once I finish, because I already set the accuracy as 0.89. Oops, I accidentally closed that. So this one shows that's accuracy, right? And I can also view run list, where you have the run. When you have multiple runs, that's how you see one run, two runs, three runs, and you see the accuracy. All the metrics will list up side by side. That's how you choose which one is better. If I have a 3 or 4, 0.89, 0.7, 0.6, 0.5, apparently this one is the best. What I can do, I'm going to open this run, and I will be able to save as ML model. Once I save this as an ML model, did I think I forgot to save this as a model. I will select an existing model that I have already created. And once I open that, this model, I run this before and getting some information. Now, this one is the one that I just saved. So I can also list this as a view. Basically, it's the same. It was generated by the same code, so you see the same accuracy. But technically, ideally, you should have different numbers so that you can choose from different metrics, right? And based on the metric value, you will choose a model and you will publish this. You can apply this version, and you can copy code to apply. This is the code that I just show you earlier. So this is how you would like to use machine learning in fabric data science, use experiments, models, and notebooks.